Hi, I'm Povilas, one of the co-founders of Pulsetto, and today I will answer some of your questions. Jake asks, can I use Pulsetto while doing other things? And I would say absolutely. It would be better if you use it consistently. This would be the best time to add it into your morning routine. So at the first waking hour in the morning, when your cortisol levels are at the highest, I would suggest applying the Pulsetto and just start a day with a lowered stress rate, let's say like this. Emily had a question, how does the stimulation feel? And it feels like a gentle tingling sensation. It feels quite strange. Due to that, you cannot compare to any other, let's say, sensations which usually you have. So I would say at first it feels quite weird, but later it feels very pleasing. Due to that, it feels like a slight massage on your neck. Madison asks, I got my Pulsetto and how do I start? It's quite easy, just open a box, download the application, put the device on the neck, apply a little bit of gel and select one of the programs which we provide in our application. So stress, anxiety, sleep, burnout or pain management. Select one of them which applies to your, let's say, problems that you're having and start the session. And in just from 4 to 20 minutes, you will start to feel the effects. Brian had a question, is gel really required? It's mandatory. Due to that, without gel, there is no way how the device can send the signal to the vagus nerve. Due to that, you need to have a specific type of impedance on your body that the stimulation could penetrate your skin level, muscle level, and activate vagus nerve specific fiber. So it's a mandatory. Without gel, it will be just like a shiny gadget on your neck. Ashley had a question, what are the most important things when using it? To understand how to use it, so you watch our onboarding videos. It's a critical thing due to that we have a lot of questions about it. Use it regularly and in the first hour of waking up and just before going to bed. 2 stimulations a day can make a difference in 2-4 weeks, and this is basically the success of our device helping you to battle some of your issues. Tyler had one serious question, when I will feel better? It's a very interesting question and it's really hard to sometimes to answer due to that we do not know what kind of issue you're trying to resolve. But I would say, if you're stimulating 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening, the first results will be seen. It can be seen in a first week, but in general 2 weeks or 4 weeks you will see huge improvements on your biomarkers if you are measuring it with your smartwatch or Oura Ring or Whoop Strap or Apple Watch. Just in general, you need the consistency and repetitiveness. So basically the consistency is the key. Rachel had a question, what is the difference between Pulsetto and just humming? And there's a lot of difference. So you can hum, it's a very good practice. You can do it, you can gargle the water, you can do ice bath, cold showers, meditation. But one thing is that for humming, you need to allocate specific time. And in my opinion, if you are, let's say, in a work environment, if you will be humming for 10 minutes, it would be quite strange. So applying the device, it relieves your, let's say, brain power to do other things. So our device is the best that you can do other things while you're stimulating and helping your body to relax. With other, let's say, natural things, it works. But it requires practice and it requires dedication, way more difficult. Pulsetto has less barrier of entry. Kevin had a question, what is the difference between neck and ear stimulation? There is a lot of difference, but it's more or less like anatomical. So you can stimulate your vagus nerve, or let's say one of a branch of vagus nerve in the ear, which is called tragus. The whole vagus nerve goes from the brain to the body, and there are 100 of vagus nerve fibers in the neck region, and in the ear you have just 1/3, so one branch. It works, but usually it takes more time, or it has less compound effect on some specific period of time. So if you are stimulating the whole nerve, basically you have better efficacy and efficiency and quicker stimulations than in the ear region. Marcus had a very interesting question. Can I use it in the sauna? You can try it, but I would say after 2 tries it will just stop working due to that electricity and water usually have not such a good relationship. It's like, toasting your bread in a bath. Not the best way to use the appliance. The device has battery and electronics, and Sauna has a lot of humidity, and it will just break the device. Hannah, can it be used on dogs or cats? In general, vagus nerve stimulation is used on dogs and cats, but it is implantable. And the reason that we cannot apply this Pulsetto device on dogs and cats due to that they have a fur which blocks basically the signals, and you need to apply a huge amount of gel to penetrate it. So basically, if you use it on your pet, I would say it will be drenched in gel after the stimulation. You will need to bathe your pet every session. So I would say it's not the best way to try to reduce its stress. Just play catch and go outside, and it will be way better when applying this kind of device to your pet. That's all the questions I got for today, and thank you very much, and stay resilient and subscribe.